Today I'm going to be doing a review on these Kyoku steak knives, but first let me tell you about this Sous Vide tri-tip I made. Oh my god, was this good. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and try out these Kyoku steak knives. We're going to slice up our tri-tip with these. Did the Sous Vide tri-tip, and now we're going to sear it on that Blackstone, but let's go ahead and unbox this first and check out these knives before we actually use them. Alright, let's get started. Alright guys, so let's start with the unboxing first. It comes in this beautiful wooden case to hold all of your steak knives, and it also comes with these leather protective shields for the knives individually. This is the Kyoku Koi series style, and it has little grooves on the blade. As you can see, they're very sharp, and I've owned some Kyoku knives before, and I've always been impressed by the quality. You know, they can really make a good knife. I have the chef knife and all sorts of different knives from them, but the steak knives, you know, I eat steak a lot, and I'm really impressed with these. Let's go ahead and slice into our meat and give it a try. We got our Kyoku knives, steak knives. We're gonna go ahead and slice it right down the middle. Oh my goodness, guys. Are you guys ready? Look at that. Alright, so I understand some of y'all might not like it this rare. You know, I'm a rare, medium rare kind of guy. Obviously, this is super rare. And I just wanted to get the sear on there. And, you know, these knives really came through for this job here. What I recommend you do if you have a family that likes it well done is you cook it like this. You slice the meat, and if they like it well done, you can throw it back on your Blackstone to sear it up a bit, and it'll taste just fine for them. Cheers. That's good.